Hello guys, this is Michael Emefeke and you're welcome to my channel. Now, if you don't take time for this place, you go lose guard and it will affect your grade a lot. If you're having a lot of problems and you don't know where to channel those problems to, and they go don't send those things for announcements, you're supposed to read them, you know they read them, it will make you lost for a long time. Now, if you did this place and you are having an issue, you don't know how to communicate your instructor, probably it's instructor related problems, you don't know how to communicate your instructor. For inside this video, I go show you 3 ways how I go take do am. The first way, you pass through Canvas. Second way, through the site wey I dey show on .edu site. The third way, through announcement. And I'll go there, go find the email address of your instructor to solve on a problem sharp sharp. I don't want to talk too much for this problem, but if the video they give you for this video, if they give you value, make sure say you subscribe and follow me across my social media channels. We will not talk too much. Let's dive in. So guys, let's move on. If you are having problem with communicating with your instructor, you don't know how to do it, let me just take you to where you will go to communicate with your instructor. You come over your normal dashboard, which I've told you how to do often. You go to your dashboard, you come down under where you have your courses or groups, under your Canvas app. I'm going to be using the other way, but let me show you first through your Canvas app. I will show you all the ways on how to contact your instructors so that you can communicate with them easily. You go down, you see a place where you have dashboard, you see a tab, calendar, to do tab, notification, and then inbox. Click on your inbox. When you click on your inbox, you construct the problems or the problem you want to discuss with your instructor. Construct it, okay? And then you come over, because this is your inbox, you come over to, I think let's click on the plus sign and let's see what we have there. Fine. You have a new message, you have the course, you have send messages to individual subject, and then you construct the message or you attach it. Okay. Now, what do you want to do? Which of the courses? You go on that course, you click on it, you select the courses you want to discuss, the course you want to discuss with, the current course you are doing now, the person you want to communicate, which is your instructor. So you look for the current courses you are doing. Like me now, I'm doing boss 301 and then religion 200. So it depends on the lecturer. You say, let's say I want to communicate with my boss 301 lecturer. So you click on that. Okay, and then it's not 2. So you now click on the search under 2 search. Is it student you want to communicate with? Is it the teacher? Is it your teaching assistant? Let's click on the teacher, for instance. It will not bring out the name of the teacher. So you go over there, you click on that name of that teacher, and then you click on done. Automatically it has put your course there, it has put your teacher's name there. Are you sending to any other person? No. You now put the subject. What is the issue you want to discuss? Probably your grade was low, you have communicated with the graders and they've not really given you reasonable information. So you now put a subject there that the grade that the graders give to you is not really inconsistent with what you believe you have written. So you put something there. That will be your message. Okay, your subject. Then you now type your full message. And then at the end of your message, you attach the document, you snap it, you make a snapshot of the document, the item that they've assessed for you. You snap it and then you attach it to validate, to let it be a support to the message you are making, so that when your instructor sees it, if there's an issue, he will contact the graders, they will tackle it, he will see if definitely you had it went, and then they will give you back. He will come back to you and tell you, I'm so sorry about that. Any moment from now we'll tackle it and we'll give you your main score. And that's how you communicate. You can communicate with your instructors here, and you can just use this means to always do that, to communicate with your instructor. I will show you a different way to do that. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, and don't forget, immediately you are done with that, you click on send to take your message out. Okay, now the next way you can do that is to come to your student portal. You already know how to sign into your portal. When you come to your student portal, you click on these 3 bar at the top right corner, and then you look for, after academics, you go down to support. Okay, under support, click my success team. Okay, and wait for it to load. You will see the information there because you are trying to get access to your instructor. It is how you can get access to your instructor. That is what we are trying to get to, so that when you have some issues, you can immediately go over there to access your instructor. Now you can access 3 persons here. You can access your mentor. The name of your mentor will be there and his email address. You can equally access your service missionary. Probably you are having gathering issues, you can access your service missionary, and then you can access your instructor. This is the contact. You go through Canvas, like what I've showed you now, exactly what I showed you there. You are going to go through Canvas and do exactly what I told you. And then this is the Canvas. We're giving you the link to Canvas, and when you click it, it will take you to the same place that we just left now. Okay. And the third way to do that, let me take you there right away. You go back to go to class, you come to academics, click go to class, it will take you directly to your class, and then we can do it from there. Click go to class, we'll wait for it to load. So immediately you reach here, you come over to the other side. Let me show you. When you reach here, you click on the bar where we have 3 bar, top left corner, you click it. You come over to inbox, click your inbox. Just exactly what you did in your other area, but you see a different interface here. You come over here, you click compose, click on compose, the first blue item on top, you click on compose, and then to take you to some certain thing, you select your course. Let's say it's bus 301, you select bus 301. Who are you sending to? Is it the instructor? You select the instructor, click on this place, it says teacher, or you can click on the end here to bring up this teacher something. You click on the teacher, okay, it's because it's teaching assistant. You click on the name of your instructor, okay, you put your subject there. Like we said, if it is a grade issue with your graders and they've given you a grade that you don't like and you have complained, they refuse, you put the subject there, grade issue. Then you now type the story, tell them the story about the problem. You type it here. When you are done, put either a video clip of what you are trying to say, you show it on the video, or you put a clip of, you snap it of what you are trying to do, just snap it there, and then you attach it, and then you click on what, just click on send once you are done. So these are the ways that you communicate with your instructor. So anytime you are having issues, follow these ways. You can go through your portal, you can come through the BYU-Pathway.edu, you come here, okay, you go through Canvas. These are the various ways you can do that. Okay, you can still go and do that inside your stuff, but that clip is not working now. But let's just use these 2 main ones. You go to announcements. Once you go to announcements, you should be able to see how you can do it from announcement. Okay, you go to announcement, and then I'm going to show you how you can do it from announcement. I will attach it to this one, and then you see how it works. Let's just go through the next one. Let me show you. You can go through this BYU.edu. You can equally go through your Canvas. We are going to check to go to use announcements. That's the next one. You check your announcement, and then you locate the email of your instructor so that you can send a message directly to him. Either is BYU.edu it's .edu email, which is the official email, or is not the normal Gmail account, personal one. Whichever one he provides there, you use that one to send a message to him. So let's go to Canvas. You know how to sign in through your Canvas app. So I'll search for Canvas, let it load. I don't normally log out, so it will just take me directly to the app. So don't log out so that you don't forget your login details, so that it takes you directly. So when it opens, let's just wait for it to load. You click any of your courses so that you can go in. So I'm just clicking the bus 301. You see announcement there, so click on the announcement. So you can start from the very first announcement. In other words, you go down, the first one, welcome note. If you don't see it there, since it has gotten far, but just try and check every areas, and then you'll be able to get where they have hidden their email. Sometimes they put it inside a word. You have to see that the word is linked. Probably they will be under, and something underline that word, is a link. And then sometimes you see it broadly, you see the the blue, the words will be changed to blue, the letters will be changed to blue. You just know that one is a link. Okay, you click on, and then it will take you to the email address. Sometimes you just show you the email. You see the email address very, very neat and very clear, and then you know that that's the email address. So let's just go over. Let me check this one because I've already checked it before, not to take a lot of your time. So you click it, and then you let it open, and let me show you what I want to show you so that you'll be able to get it. But always check your announcement. You always put that information there, and it's your you need to always write that that email address, put it down somewhere so that you can either you go through the message by going through your inbox, you go through the email address, or the other area that I've shown you. Okay, so you scroll down. For this one, you scroll down. She did not make it open. She has finished all the information. But if you look closely, you see this information is said, if you would like a feedback from me on an assignment before you submit it, please email. And if you look at that email, there's an underline it to me, and I would love, in other words, the link is here. So click on it. Probably it will take us to that area. You see, so now take it. Is it an Outlook or a Gmail? Let's click on the Gmail. See, so that is a Gmail address or email address. So that's just it. So you now click on this link and you go and put it somewhere. You hide it somewhere. You store it somewhere, just in case of any other problem in the future. You know how to channel even if you send a message in the message handle, still come here and send another one. Because you are the best advocate of yourself. If you don't disturb them, they will not solve your problem. So keep disturbing them until they solve your problem. That's how you do it. Don't just send the message and you relax. No, they will not attend to you. Disturb everybody around you, whether it's the peer mentor, whether it's your enrollment counselor, whether it's your instructor, whether it's anybody you know that is connected to that problem. Send them message until they answer you. Don't relax. So you now put your subject, you put the message, ensure that you snap something regarding to the message, you send it to them. Don't relax. I believe I've been able to do justice to this, and I will be sending it any moment from now. So make sure that you learn to solve your problems yourself. Don't let your peer mentor sit down on top of your problem, because sometimes they are doing a lot of hundreds of jobs. So please ensure that as you have reported to them, until that problem is solved, don't relax. Okay, I believe you've been able to get value from this. I will try to look for other areas that I'll also try to solve the problems for you. But as much as you get value for this, from these our videos, please subscribe, like, follow us on all our social medias. Try to know them. We'll put them down. Ensure that you follow us continuously. Let me leave you now. Until we see you next time. Peace. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a comment. Now go apply what you learned. Action is everything. Subscribe for more student success tips, and I will catch you on the next one.